Good morning. Today we're gonna make bundás kenyér for my lovely family. Today I've decided to make my lovely family some breakfast. In Hungary we call this bundás kenyér, and I believe in England it's called French toast. But French toast, what my other half told me, usually it's sweet, but my bundás kenyér is savory. So it's really easy, it doesn't take long, probably 10-15 minutes in total. I'm just waiting on some sliced bread, which my other half will bring from the shop for us. So we can start. Hi, say morning.
Morning.
We are ready to do Joe Wicks, isn't it? So shortly we're gonna do Joe Wicks.
Look at my big muscles.
So about the bundás kenyér. When I was a child, my mom used to make us for breakfast bundás kenyér with tea. So the tea what we drink in Hungary is made with honey and lemon, not milk. Okay, so let's start the bundás kenyér. So I cracked few eggs. Okay. Some salt. I've got some multi-seeded brown bread here, and I've got my pan here. The oil is already hot. I've added some olive oil, and then I just put my sliced bread inside, soak both sides in the egg, and then my oil is hot enough so I can put the bread in the pan. Next one. So I'm gonna fry the bread on each side. Beautiful. While my bundás kenyér is cooking, I'm going to make a cup of tea as well. If you want, you can put some paper towel underneath so it will soak up the remaining oil. Sorry, in the background you can hear the kettle because I'm boiling the water for our tea. Voila! While the last batch is cooking, I can get the place ready for Noah's vegan bundás kenyér. So, wash my hand, clean the pan. I'm melting some coconut oil at the moment. Okay, I'm gonna turn it down a little bit. I've got farina flour here. Just need a spoon. Okay, so I'm gonna add some farina flour, and I'm going to mix it with some oat milk. I'm going to add some turmeric. Okay, come in now. I'm just making the breakfast. I'm gonna add some turmeric, which will give a nice color.
Can I read to you while you're making me my breakfast?
Yes, okay. I'm gonna add some salt and some black pepper to this mix, and I'll show you the result. It looks like an egg mix. So Noah is having his own vegan egg mixture. Okay,
delicious.
so the coconut oil is hot now, so it's ready. The mix is ready. I'm gonna add a little bit more, and I'm gonna put Noah's bread inside this butter mix. Okay, so that's your vegan bundás kenyér. Noah requested some beans as well with it, so I'm gonna warm up some baked beans as well. Do you wanna start reading now? I'm ready to listen.
Good luck. Henry swirled the box round and round and round. Peter began to feel dizzy. The drink sloshed on the floor. Then everything was still.
Then everything was still. End
Then
of the sentence.
everything was still.
Peter's house was.
His house was, what, eh?
He
couldn't-
counted to 25, then crept out. Speak the language unless you drink this bibble babble drink. Take this with you and drink it when you get there. Henry held out the 40th black drink. Look at those delicious breadcrumbs. Oh, my little sweet darlings.
So the vegan bundás kenyér is ready. I've tried it. It's delicious.
I haven't tried it.
Okay, so have a quick bite then. And let me know what you think.
It tastes like melted cheese sandwich.